All right, so we're here in our MobileMonkey dashboard and we're going to set up a RSS blast. So what we want to do is go to Marketing Automation and RSS Blaster, and we're going to create a new RSS Blaster. We are going to make sure it's active, and then we're going to name it. And we need to put the feed here. So for this example, we're going to go to our MobileMonkey blog. And we're just going to type /RSS after. And it's going to come up with this code here, which we don't need. We just need this URL. So we're going to copy this URL. And you can do that with any blog that's on the internet. And we're going to go back and we're going to paste it here. Now we have the read more button text. You can change this to whatever you want. You can change this full story to whatever you want. And then your web view height, you can change this to whatever you want. So we're just going to make it most of screen. And then you want to choose an audience. So we're going to choose all leads as our audience. So once that's ready to go, we're going to make it active. And all we have to do now, it's active, it's going to run as soon as the server checks. I believe it's every 15 minutes. It will look for the latest post on the blog and it will send it to this audience. So let's check out. I think it just came up, so we're going to click on this. And there you go. It says 8 things you should know about Facebook Messenger, and there's the read more button. So we're going to click read more, and then it's going to come back with a little summary of the story, and then if we hit full story, it's going to take us to the actual blog post. So that is a really cool way to have your audience updated every time you submit a post. Much better than email, because email's got a lot of restrictions with spam filters and things like that. Now let me show you. So I chose all contacts for that. Now let me show you a way to set up a dialogue if you just wanted people to opt into your blog update. So we're going to call this blog. We're going to call this blog updates. And we're going to do a quick question widget. We're going to say, hi, first name. Would you like to be notified every time we update our blog? And we're going to choose a new attribute. Call it blog update. You can call it whatever you want. And we're going to have 2 answers. We're going to have yes and no. So when someone goes here and they hit yes, it's going to add them to the audience of blog updates, which we'll need to create. And then only the people that have subscribed to the blog updates will get the updates. So we're going to go into audience insights here, and we're going to go into audiences, and we're going to go to create audience. And we're going to call this blog updates. And we're going to choose the attribute of blog updates, and there it is. And we're going to say equal to, and it says blank right now because there's no one has went into this. So we're going to hit yes and save. And you're going to see there's no one there. So let's go back to the bot builder real quick, and we're going to test this blog updates flow that we just created. And here it is. Hi, Craig. Would you like to be notified every time we update our blog? And I'm going to say yes. And now, if we go back here to audiences, and we go to blog updates, I'm going to go to edit. You're going to see there, I've now just been added to this, and then every time there's an update, it's going to send it to me. So that is RSS Blaster, super powerful. You can add any RSS Blaster you want. If you come in here and go to RSS Blaster, you're going to see we have this one. We can add another one. So just put the RSS feed. You can even add a feed that isn't your website. So you could add a feed from CNN or any other related blog that you feel is going to give value to your audience. All right, so if you have any questions at all, post it in our group or send an email to support@mobilemonkey.com. Thanks.